Drone Command, the drone boss, just purely awesome, man. One of the biggest things, uh, it's not necessarily the drone model itself, but the entrepreneurship and just truly understanding marketing. I mean, just everything is just marketing, man. I wouldn't have known or really truly understood that concept in reference to drones and pretty much everything that has to do with entrepreneurship had I not, came across Drone Command, Sky Eye, the drone bus. I'm just appreciative. It's really awesome. I look forward to embarking upon this journey and gaining all the information that I can from the Drone Command family. I'm very thankful. Very thankful.